Hello, everyone. Welcome to LOM CAA assessment. This time we review diseases like BPH, multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia, and eye diseases. Good evening, everyone. Let's start with the first question. And Ma'am Ami, can you help us out with the answers? Good evening. What is the function of the prostate?
The prostate secretes fluid that nourishes and protects the sperm.
Okay. Secretes fluid that nourishes and protects the sperm. Very good. What are the signs and symptoms of BPH?
Urinary frequency, day or night, or the nocturia, usually voiding only the small amount of urine with this episode, and urinary urgency, hesitancy or difficult initiating the urinary stream,
Mm.
interrupted, weak stream, incomplete bladder emptying, straining to initiate and maintain urination in order to more fully evacuate the bladder, dribbling or loss of small amount of urine due to poor urinary stream. And the last one is blocking the flow of urine out of the bladder.
Okay, to summarize, the first one is urinary frequency or urgency. Meron ding weakness, which is incomplete passing of urination, difficulty starting and stopping and starting. These are all signs of weakness. Nocturia, that means the patient would usually urinate at night. Hematuria, blood in the urine, discharge, pain, kidney yang deficiency symptoms, dizziness, fatigue, excess dreams, and insomnia. Benign prostatic hypertrophy can lead to
Can lead to symptoms that are like those caused by enlarged prostate. These include urinary tract infections, inflamed prostate, narrowing of the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the body, scarring in the bladder, neck due to past surgery, bladder or kidney stone, problems with nerves that control the bladder, and cancer of the prostate or bladder.
Okay. Actually, to sum it all up, it causes kidney
Kidney
failure
failure.
because all of these illnesses that you mentioned are due to failure of the kidneys.
Kidney failure.
Okay, let's talk about the 3XS TCM diagnosis of BPH. The 3XS patterns.
The 3XS TCM diagnosis, ano po to? Strong constitution, mga ano po to, loud voice, rapid breath, sharp pain.
Now, those are symptoms po. Let's talk about the pattern.
Clinical pattern.
The pattern.
Any material such as blood clot or urinary stone, food stagnation, cold and heat dampness accumulations.
Okay, actually, the 3XS TCM diagnosis of BPH are damp heat in the lower jaw. Second is LQS or liver qi stagnation. And number 3, blood stasis in the lower jaw. So damp heat, LQS, and blood stasis. So if meron tayong excess, meron ding deficiency. And there are 4 of them. Can you mention them?
Ang deficiency po, Doc, is insufficient of Qi and Yang leading to full warmth, insufficiency of blood and yin, resulting in poor nourishment.
Okay, these are the 4 patterns of deficient
deficiency,
kidney and spleen. Kidney yin deficiency, kidney yang deficiency, spleen qi deficiency or spleen qi sinking, and spleen yang deficiency. So kidney and spleen lang talaga. No? Now, PSA. PSA is prostate specific antigen. If it is above 10 nanograms per ml, what is next? What is the next action? What is the...
What's the next? Or higher means you have risk of prostate cancer, Doc.
Okay, what are you going to do? Ibig sabihin, you saw the result to be 10 nanograms per ml. What is the next step?
Opo.
We do biopsy.
Kailangan po, Doc, na biopsy.
Okay. If the PSA is between 2.5 to 10,
this is the typical, normal PSA level.
we still have to do digital rectal exam, no?
Okay, digital.
And then to be followed by free PSA, yung unbound PSA. So free
Dito na
PSA,
po pala.
this is PSA that hasn't bound to any proteins, no? And when you say bound PSA, this is PSA that is bound to proteins. When your PSA is tested, it may be measured two ways. So meron tayong free PSA test, which measures only the unbound PSA in your bloodstream. And then we have a PSA test that measures your total PSA, meaning we include both the bound and the free. Okay? So what will you do? Okay, so the result was between 2.5 to 10 nanograms per ml ang DRE, digital rectal exam. Okay. What happens if the result is abnormal? Ibig sabihin, mas matigas sa tip ng ilong mo yung prostate. You are going...
during this, magkakaroon, Doc, ng DRE or physical examination. Perform
so, if abnormal po yung digital rectal exam, kahit normal yung PSA, you still have to do biopsy. Okay?
Biopsy pa rin po.
So if the free PSA test is less than 7%, what are you going to do? We still do biopsy.
Biopsy. Okay.
If the between 7 to 15% ang free na PSA, you have the option to do or not to do biopsy. Okay?
Okay.
May or may not warrant biopsy. So ano po yung lifestyle, food, and exercise for BPH?
Limit fluid intake before bed. For reducing fluid intake in the evening can minimize the nighttime urination. Avoid irritating food such as spicy food, caffeine, alcohol. May irritate the bladder and worsen symptoms. Increase fiber or high fiber diet support the bowel regularity and reduces pressures of the prostate. And then healthy fats include the sources of healthy fats. Example are nuts, avocados, olive oil to support the prostate health. Then exercise, Doc, and then lifestyle, avoiding holding urine. So manage stress, and then maintain healthy weight and quit smoking.
Okay. Una-una, you mentioned about the foods that are irritating or yung tinatawag na activating foods. Yan yung tinatawag nating FAWU. So avoid shellfish, wild fruits, spicy foods, greasy and fried foods, alcohol. No, these are activating foods. You incorporate zinc in your diet. You can do Kegels maneuver. No, I hope you know how to do that. Eat apples, tomatoes, and carrots, and avoid bikes para hindi ma-irritate. So now let's go to Lynn syndrome. Ano po ba yung Lynn syndrome?
It refers to the group of urinary disorder in TCM.
Okay.
Such yung there are 7 cuscat.
Okay, what are
dampness, heat, kidney deficiency, liver qi stagnation, spleen qi deficiency, blood stasis, and cold, Doc.
Okay. The diet, importante yan.
The diet.
No? Environment. So kahit correct yung diet mo, but you live in an environment that medyo nag-trigger niyan. blood heat, damp heat, age or illness, deficiency. So kailangan na parati tayo nagmumoksa, parati tayo nagtutonify. Emotional stress, you see the impact. So Lynn syndrome, this actually refers to urinary tract infections, no? Frequent, urgent, painful urination with the potential to form stones, genital pain, and itching. Next, damp heat and hard heat, Lynn, are due to what?
Causes blood in urine. A stuck stone can be do this. Excess heat pushes the blood out of the vessel into the urine.
Okay. These are actually due to the environment.
Environment.
And hard heat, Lynn. So ibig sabihin, the Lynn syndrome is due to damp heat and hard heat. That's due to the environment. What about if the Lynn is due to damp heat and kidney yin?
Target obstruction.
Okay, the diet, which is plain damp. Mahilig kasi tayo kumain ng mga damp food. Di ba? So, of course, it causes damp heat and kidney yin stone. And also, kidney and liver Qi deficiency, Lynn, are due to, take note kidney and liver yan.
May sudden pain in the lower abdomen.
Okay, emotional stress.
Emotional
this
stress.
is usually involving the liver. We all know that. And also, pag meron tayong spleen Qi deficiency, which will lead to small intestine failure. Ibig sabihin, you cannot separate the pure from impure anymore. No? So, yun lang po yun. So, emotional stress affecting the liver, spleen Qi deficiency, which leads to SI failure. Blood heat or kidney yin deficiency, blood lean, are due to?
The Qi cannot hold the blood, so lift the Qi and blood will help, so the bleeding can stop.
Okay, it's actually due to heat, both excess
and
empty heat.
Excess and deficient. Okay.
Yeah. Damp heat or spleen kidney deficiency, creamy, cloudy lean. Ibig sabihin yung ihi mo medyo creamy. This is due to what?
Due to heat ulit, Doc.
Dampness.
Dampness.
Yan, ha? Dampness.
It becomes sorbet. Okay.
Number 18, fatigue lean is due to yung madali ka
overwork.
Due to age
overwork is often. Okay.
So, hindi na natin magagawa yung nagagawa natin dati. Okay, please define chronic fatigue syndrome or chronic fatigue.
Frequent, difficult to complete, but less painful, more on irritation.
Okay, when you say chronic fatigue, this is a group of symptoms with severe fatigue, which is not resolved with rest that lasts longer than 6 months. So, ibig sabihin, if you feel tired and then nag-rest ka, hindi pa din nare-relieve yung fatigue mo. Okay? And this has been happening for longer than 6 months. That's called chronic fatigue syndrome. No other conditions are present. Okay? What are the hypotheses regarding the cause of chronic fatigue sa Western?
Cytic fibrosis is primarily caused by mutation. Cytic fibrosis, transmembrane conductance regulator.
Okay.
These genes and
okay, we have the Epstein-Barr virus, human papilloma virus, inflammation, and immune response. So, kaya dapat hindi tayo nagda-damp heat kasi as long as meron tayong damp heat, there will be inflammation. What are the key signs and symptoms of chronic fatigue?
Persistent cough with thick mucus, wheezing, exercise intolerance, repeated lung infections, full smelling and greasy stool, poor weight gain and growth, intestinal blockage, chronic or severe constipation.
Okay, kanina sinabi natin, unrelenting fatigue. Kahit nagpahinga na, fatigue pa rin. Weakness and pain. May lymph node involvement, low-grade fever, chest pain, or congestion. Nagpa-check, negative lahat. Okay?
Okay.
What are the 11 possible TCM diagnoses of chronic fatigue? 11. Did you get that?
Okay. Phlegm dam obstructions, spleen chi deficiency, kidney yang deficiency, liver chi stagnations, lung heat and dryness, blood stasis, yin deficiency, chi and blood deficiency.
Okay.
Mhm.
Turbid
Yun.
yang rising. So from Taiyang,
Sayang siya.
nai-stuck siya sa Shaoyang. Diba? Yung parang H
Mhm.
natin. Or meron tayong Yangming heat. From Taiyang, na-stuck up sa Yangming, stomach and large intestine. Yangming heat in any or all of the three jiao. Spleen dump heat due to spleen qi deficiency. So pag meron tayong spleen qi deficiency, there is always the possibility na mag-evolve siya into spleen dump heat. Number 4 is liver overacting on the spleen due to liver qi stagnation, LQS, and spleen qi deficiency. Okay, kaya dapat hindi tayo na-stress. Let's not be so affected by stress and make sure that the ating spleen qi is normal, is okay. No? Hindi ka madaling inaantok, napapagod. Number 5 is liver blood deficiency. And I think you know that. Pag may liver blood deficiency, talagang aside from maputla, pagod na pagod. Lung yin deficiency can also bring about chronic fatigue. Stomach yin deficiency, kidney yin deficiency, kidney yang deficiency, heart blood deficiency, and heart yin deficiency. What are the key lifestyle changes for CF para hindi tayo magkaroon ng chronic fatigue? Remember,
regular exercise, hydration, nutrition, following high calories, high sodium diet to support the growth and energy, avoiding smoke to prevent the lung damage and exacerbations, good hygiene, reduce infection risk, and of course, emotional support.
Okay. Mental and physical exercise. Dapat nag-aaral ng acupuncture, sumasama sa lamp. Mental and physical. Ha? Yung iba ayaw gamitin yung mental. Nako, kayo din. And you have to wake up at 5 a.m. or as soon as the sun goes up. Kung tulog ka pa, hindi ka pa makagising, mahina talaga yung kidney mo. Exercise 6:50 in the morning. Okay? Breakfast at 7 a.m. So light exercise lang. Nap at kahit mga stretching, nap at noon. So remember, kailangan talaga may nap, no? Bed at 10 p.m. and sleep at 11 p.m. Diba? Di naman tayo matutulog ka agad eh. Oh. Number 24, please define multiple sclerosis, both Western and TCM.
Ang Western definition for MS is autoimmune disease affecting the central nervous system. It involves inflammations, demyelination, damage to protective myelin sheath.
Okay.
Symptoms vary widely and may include weakness, numbness, visions, problems, and fatigue. And then sa TCM perspective naman is
tawag is
related po sa Wei syndrome.
Wei syndrome. So
Yes,
ang MS is autoimmune disease affecting the central nervous system. Ibig sabihin, nagpo-produce ka ng antibodies against your myelin sheath, no? Kaya nauubos, nagkakaroon ng scarring yung myelin, so hindi na maganda yung conduction ng nerve impulse.
Nagkakaroon ng imbalances
and TCM naman, this is Wei syndrome. Wei syndrome, there is marked muscular flaccidity or atrophy of the limbs with motor impairment. Okay? So what is the treatment protocol for newly diagnosed multiple sclerosis? Malay nyo, magkaroon tayo na pasyente na may MS.
Western medicine typically uses disease-modifying drugs. Example, interferon, pero doc, hindi ako Familiar sa mga word eh.
No, actually, we can use, you have to use the TCM. Focus tayo on
TCM po.
releasing the exterior, no, on releasing the
Focus.
body surface, expel the
Okay.
wind. I think you already know what are the wind eliminating points. Clear the heat, resolve phlegm, activate blood, and unblock the meridians.
Meridian.
Huwag na natin
Okay.
antayin magkaroon tayo ng MS. Dapat katulad din ng diabetes, no? Huwag na natin antayin na diagnose tayo ng diabetic. Let's live the life of a diabetic. Ibig sabihin, we follow the rules, do not overindulge in anything. And then, you have to have acupuncture twice a month or kung pwede, every week. Okay? So magtulungan po tayo. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Ami. Very good.
Thank you po, Doc. Thank you po.
Thank you. Let's now call on Sir Michael. Sir Michael, who looks very ready. Good evening, Sir Michael Rivera.
Good evening, Doc. Good evening, classmate.
26 to 50. What is the treatment protocol for late stage or remission stage of MS?
The treatment protocol po,
Sa TCM, ha?
TCM. For TCM po, Doc, more on herbal, can include acupuncture, herbal tonics, and stress reduction techniques. Stress reduction technique, Doc.
Oh.
Hindi, ang na-search ko po kasi more on Western. Focus on maintaining overall health and
Hindi
managing.
naman kayo mag-Western. Nasa ano tayo? Anyway, andito po. We focus on fortifying the kidney. Remember, late stage na yan. Replenish the essence. So by eating the right food, right? Soothe the liver. Kasi syempre, pag may problema na ang kidney, problematic din yung liver. Nourish the blood. That's where your herbs come in, right? Supplement the chi and then tonify or reinforce the spleen. Okay, kidney, spleen, liver. What is the treatment protocol for MS during attack?
Reducing inflammation po ang treatment protocol, balancing energy po, and support the nervous system during acute exacerbations.
So what if you have a patient na inatake ng MS and tinawagan ka? So doon ka lang dapat sa AQ, no? So you have to treat locally, economically. Huwag masyadong gumamit ng maraming needles because there is always a danger of overstimulation. Okay? So locally, local. So may malalapit doon sa tusok-tusok. This will prolong the life of the myelin sheath and reverse the progression of MS. Okay? Kaya dapat
may application to mo ba to sa auricular?
Of course. Yeah. All you have to do is look for the expert yan si Sir Albert. Look for the equivalent. Sa atin kasi, yung auricular natin, it is important that you know the body points. And all you have to do is look for the equivalent points on the ear. No? Yung mga meridians. Next. What will be the treatment protocol for MS during remission? Walang nangyayari, like walang symptoms. What are you going to do?
Ang treatment protocol po is during remission is relapsing, remitting multiple scores. The goal is to manage symptoms, prevent relapses, maintain overall well-being. Three answers: disease modifying therapies, symptom management, and lifestyle factors.
So you have to tonify the spleen chi, resolve the dump. You have to be specific, no? And then you nourish the liver and kidney yin during remission to. Okay? So pag during attacks, you use the local points. Next. What are the general things to remember?
29.
In terms of acupuncture.
Cooking home, mostly cooking at home allows you to control dry ingredients, makes healthier choice. Fresh fruit po and vegetable, lean meat, lean protein and healthy fats, whole grain, limit processed foods po.
Okay. Patients with MS are likely needle sensitive. Kailangan minimize mo lang yung number of needles and treatments. That's why you have to use the ear if you know how to do it. Okay? Or you can also do the scalp. No? Number 30. Ito, medyo na-advance ka. Punta naman tayo sa food recommendations. Ulit mo yung food recommendations mo.
Food recommendation po is yung nga po, a well-balanced diet can positively impact MS, are protein vegetable, fish, especially fatty fish, whole grain po, and whole grain with natural fiber. Limit po yung saturated fats, refined sugar,
More
and salt.
alkaline foods, no? Kasi ayaw natin ma-stimulate siya. Avoid cinnamon and black pepper because these are called, these are activating foods. And if you give herbs like ginseng and Wang Qi, this may interfere with Western medicine, so you have to be careful. You can give ginkgo biloba, and recommended po ang vitamin B12. Okay.
Alam, ginkgo biloba po yan.
Fibromyalgia. What is the definition of fibromyalgia?
It's an idiopathic, chronic, non-articular pain syndromes po. It's a common chronic disorder po, in etiology.
When you say idiopathic, you don't know the cause, right?
Opo.
So Western. Okay, continue po.
No, widespread pain, tenderness po, abnormal pain processing, sleep disturbance po, ang kanyang mga symptoms.
Okay. There is widespread pain. You have to be very specific, no? For more than 3 months, with demonstration of at least 11 of 18 tender points on digital palpation. Not all meet this criteria. Some have regional areas of pain and less specific points. 11 out of 18 that are tender, no? More than 3 months po. Widespread pain. So what is the characteristic of fibromyalgia pain? Or when do you call them tender, yung points?
Tender po po, specific waxing waning course, widespread pain. Yan, you mentioned earlier, 3 months in tenderness.
Ganito yon. Pag sinabi kasing character ng fibromyalgia pain, yung talagang kanya lang talaga. Like when you do this, alam mo na kaagad na fibromyalgia yon, no? So 11 out of 18. So there is extreme pain with only less than 4 kilograms of force. Grabe yung pain. So ayaw talaga nila magpamassage. Okay? With less than 4 kilograms of force, may extreme pain. Don't worry, I'll give you the answers right after our assessment. What is the TCM diagnosis of fibromyalgia? There are 5.
Hindi diagnosed based on the pattern disharmony po.
Yes, pattern.
Emotional factors, weak essence, aging, trauma, stress are also considered as stress po at saka as trauma. Liver Qi deficiency po ito.
Liver Qi stagnation, LQS, number 1. Number 2, Qi deficiency. Number 3, bladder deficiency. Number 4, kidney yin yang qi or essence deficiency. And the 5th one is P syndrome. Okay? Differentiate rheumatoid arthritis from fibromyalgia. Anong pagkakaiba po?
Ang rheumatoid arthritis is a systematic inflammation, autoimmune disease, wherein the immune system attacks the joint, cause joint damage, and can affect other organs. While the fibromyalgia is a chronic pain syndromes that causes muscle, joint, and bone pain.
Okay.
And tenderness and many others.
So sa fibromyalgia, wala pong joint swelling or deformity. No? Malay nyo, tayo lang makaka-treat, di ba? Kasi hindi alam no? Kasi deformity para ma-diagnose mo ay rheumatoid arthritis or RA. Sa rheumatoid arthritis, meron kang makikitang rheumatoid factor in blood. pero sa fibromyalgia, negative yung rheumatoid factor na tinatawag. Okay? Next, differentiate myofascial pain syndrome from fibromyalgia.
Both of myofascial pain and probiara may trigger point po sila that cause pain, but there's different conditions where myofascial pain occurs in one specific area. Specific area po yung myofascia.
Oo, localized lang. Sa myofascial pain, the pain is present as a localized stiffness, may not have fatigue. Yan ang myofascial pain syndrome. Okay, how do you differentiate heart disease from fibromyalgia?
Heart disease primarily affect the cardiovascular system, while the other one is affect muscles, soft tissue, and overall well-being.
Actually, sa fibromyalgia, hindi siya nagra-radiate, no? In type, and the length of pain is different. Okay? Next, what are the foods to avoid kung magkaroon ka ng pasyente with fibromyalgia? What are the foods that you will ask them to avoid?
Number one na po sigurado yung caffeine, the dairy products, the gluten, and monosodium glutamate. Yun po yung mga to avoid recommendation po.
Okay, FAWU, ito yung activating foods, yung mga anghang, no? Stimulants. Caffeine, you were right. Yeast, so lahat ng bread, yung may yeast, di ba? Okay, wala na. MSG, trans fat, carbonated drink, no?
Okay.
Chocolate, processed food, tobacco, crab, pork, and sugar. Yan po ang i-avoid nila. Kaya yun. Recommended food. So kung maraming i-avoid na food, ano yung i-recommend mo na food?
In general po sa akin, Doc, balanced diet po is sweet in fruits and vegetable, and whole grain is general recommendation po. Reducing po ang sugar intake.
Actually, you have to be specific, Ay, kulang.
Okay.
Ay, ginger, broccoli, spinach, artichoke, asparagus, celery, yam, sweet potato, licorice, seafood, nuts, beans, vinegar, eggs, whole wheat flour. So research nyo na lang.
Opo.
Anong klaseng food ang ipapakain mo?
Ano po sa akin talagang hindi so specific daw kay more on nutrient-rich foods is staying hydrated po. Maintain po yung healthy weight are essential po in this overall well-being.
They should be fresh and organic. Kaya dapat mayroon kang farm. Char.
Doon lang titira sa farm, Doc. Doon ako titira.
Doon ka titira? Sa ano?
Meron na po. Okay, sa Bulacan.
Okay. Next.
Dadali ko kayo doon.
What is glaucoma referred to in TCM?
Referring to related to imbalances in liver and kidney.
I don't know if you've researched this. This is the Chinese name. Qingfeng Nai Song. Okay. Anyway, hindi naman masyadong importante yan. What is important here is when you have glaucoma, there is progressive optic nerve damage, which is caused by increased intraocular pressure. So if you are going to focus on the drawing, you would see it is the second most common cause of blindness in the US and worldwide. Okay?
Wow.
4 million people worldwide have glaucoma, but only half are aware of it. It can occur at any age, but this is 6 times more common among people over age 60. Okay? So what causes the pressure in the eye to elevate? This is due to a buildup of fluid, which is called aqueous humor, that is produced by the ciliary body and it flows throughout the inside of the eye. So nagkakaroon ng build up. So ibig sabihin may bara. So this internal fluid normally drains out by means of the trabecular meshwork. Itong trabecular meshwork, nakikita nyo dyan, it is like a spongy tissue located at the angle where the iris and the cornea will meet, and it is responsible for regulating the outflow of aqueous humor. So kung ang fluid is overproduced or hindi nag-work properly ang drainage system, so hindi pwede mag-flow out yung fluid at its normal rate. And so ang nangyayari, nag-i-increase yung eye pressure. So what is the normal pressure of the optic nerve in terms of millimeters
10
mercury?
to 21. Yeah, normal pressure is about 10 to 21 mmSg.
Okay, 10 or 11 to 21 mmHg. Very good. What organs are mainly involved in glaucoma in TCM?
Imbalances in the liver, kidney, and heart system.
Okay, liver, kidney, and spleen. No? Wag diretso ka agad sa heart. Liver, kidney, spleen. So paulit-ulit lang talaga, no? Kailangan talaga natin alam yung mga tonifying things or yung mga sedating points. What are the symptoms of acute closed-angle glaucoma?
Characterized by rapid rise of intraocular pressure, accompanied by corresponding system tissue changes up under your chamber of the eye. Is often creating extraocular pressure, serious timing of conditions. Mostly sa mga 50 years and above, especially sa women po to, both in affect the eyes. Other answer.
Severe eye pain.
Severe eye pain.
Halos. You can have nausea, vomiting, headache, loss of vision. Okay. What are the three differentials in glaucoma sa TCM? Kaya di ba sinabi mo liver, spleen, kidney. So ano-ano po yung patterns?
So 40 tayo, no? Pattern po nito is...
Do you have the answer?
And first po, yeah po, meron po. So first po, in distension in the eye, mild headache po ito. Related po sa emotion and absent stress.
Okay, liver cheese stagnation with liver fire. And then the second one is phlegm fire rising. The third one is liver and kidney insufficiency with empty fire. What are the symptoms of liver cheese stagnation with liver fire?
Often lead to heat accumulation po.
So first, what are you going to expect to see in the tongue? Remember,
ang tongue po red po with the stripe.
Okay. And what is the color of the coat?
Thin white po. White coating.
Hindi na white. Fire na yan eh. May white ba na apoy? Yellow coat. Ano
yellow coat po.
Okay. There is this standing pain in the eye with irritability, hypochondrial pain. So liver na liver. The tongue is red with yellow coat. Next. Ano naman ang symptoms of glaucoma with phlegm fire rising? Remember, rise na ang phlegm. Saan na pa phlegm fire? Saan na papunta yan? Sa may heart na. So magkakaroon na ng palpitation, no? And there will be hot pain in the eye, blurred vision, dizziness, irritability, palpitation. The tongue is red with sticky coating or greasy coat, dial phlegm fire. Next, symptoms of glaucoma from liver or kidney insufficiency with empty fire.
Symptoms is including blurred vision po, dry eyes, and feeling of heat.
Saka meron siyang prolonged illness. Kaya kung pwede lang, huwag tayong magkasakit ng matagal, no? Dapat nagpapa-acupuncture na tayo habang wala pang nararamdaman. So, please help us promote acupuncture, even for those who are not yet having any problems. Okay? Yun.
Ako rin po ginagawa.
Yeah. So, kasi you only have 1 week more and all you have to focus on will be your clinics and the exams, no? So prolonged illness, decreased vision, blurred vision, no spirit in the eye, and distending sensation in the palms. Next, what points do you needle for glaucoma due to phlegm, fire, rising? Paulit-ulit na lang yan, ha? Phlegm, fire, rising. Anong pinakamagandang
Here,
point sa phlegm? Go.
wala po ako sagot sa 48.
Ay, bakit? Stomach
No.
40, spleen 9. By this time, you have to already be very familiar with these points. Okay? Even if without notes. Okay? Spleen 9 is very, very effective. Stomach 44. Diba? Ying Spring. And then liver 2. Sanjiao 6 and Ren 10. Next, what points do you needle for liver qi stagnation with liver fire?
Liver 3, tayo nyo.
Also, yung
41.
partner niya, LI4.
Gallbladder 41.
Sanjiao 5.
Sanjiao 5. And
34. Liver 1, which is quite painful. You can use the ears. LI11, I think that's very, very popular, and stomach 37. Next, we go to number 50. Do you use 7-star needling as a treatment for glaucoma? And if so, saan mo gagawin ang 7-star?
Sa
Yes
ano po?
or no?
As long bosom po to, involved tapping po to, more on tapping the skin.
So the answer is yes. Saan mo ilalagay yung needling, yung 7-star? Do it
So
over Taiyang, Yuyao, bladder 2, GB14, and then mild tapping sa spleen 6, bladder 15 to 23.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, medyo stress kayo, Sir Michael. So I hope you will be ready for our last week of assessment next Monday. Thank you po. Let's now call Sir June Azariel for 51 to 75. Sir June, are you ready?
Yes po, Doc.
Ano nangyayari? Diyos ko na ba yan? Okay. What is one of the most common acute eye conditions due to wind heat? Anong tawag dito?
Sagot ko po kasi common flu eh.
Conjunctivitis. Sa mata tayo. It's conjunctivitis. Huh?
Oh my God.
What are the two differentials of conjunctivitis? Ano yung two patterns na iisipin mo?
Sinabi ko ba ito allergic conjunctivitis and bacterial conjunctivitis po, Doc?
That's Western. Dito tayo sa Chinese. Okay, we have wind heat. The second one is liver gallbladder fire. Okay, with liver gallbladder fire causing conjunctivitis, what are the signs and symptoms?
Redness, bloodshot eyes, swelling, itching, burning, or stinging sensation po.
Pronounced redness, discharge of pus, mood swing. Kasi liver gallbladder. 54, what is the treatment for conjunctivitis in TCM? Ano yung treatment plan mo?
But question yung nailagay ko, Doc.
So you have to disperse the wind, drain the heat, clear the fire. So you can use the points. Taiyang, LI4, remember? Gallbladder 20, bladder 2, gallbladder 8, and bladder 1. What is the best way to reduce heat in conjunctivitis?
Cold compress po, artificial tears, over-the-counter, eye drops po, avoid triggers.
Ay, that's Western. Sa Chinese, bleeding. GB1 or Taiyang. I-bleed mo, di ba?
Can we do gua siya, Doc?
Gua siya.
Light 11, tsaka 44.
Oh my God. Western.
You can also do gua sha, but the best way is bleeding. GB1 or Taiyang. Where is Sang Jing Ming?
Bladder 1 is an acupuncture point in TCM located on the face near inner corner of the eye of the junction.
Okay, Sang means above. It's located 0.2 tsun above bladder 1. What are the indications for Sang Jing Ming?
Ano po? Eye strain, eye fatigue,
Research mo
dry eye.
yan? Hindi mo yata ni-research yan eh.
Research ko po, Dok.
Optic nerve atrophy, strabismus, excess lacrimation, or epiphora.
Oh my God.
Where is Xia Jing Ming?
40.
So kung kanina above, nasaan to?
Wait na po. Located, located at the face near outer corner of the eye po, Dok.
How many tsun? Are you sure? Hindi outer corner, 0.2 tsun below bladder 1.
Okay.
Ano ba yan? What is Yuyaw? Alam mo na saan ang Yuyaw, no? Where do you use it?
Used for Yuyaw is a GB16 located on the scalp po. 1.5 tune.
Are you sure,
Directly
Yuyaw?
up. Yuyaw pala to.
It's good for myopia and conjunctivitis. Where is Sang Ming?
Extra point po located on the forehead above the midpoint between the eyebrows po.
Directly below the midpoint of the eyebrow, under the superior border of the orbit. Where is Wai-Ming?
Dok, wala po akong sagot dyan.
0.3 tsun above the outer canthus of the eye, and then you needle towards Taiyang. Where is Chu Hao?
Wala rin po. Hanggang 63 po. Walang sagot.
Ano ba yan? Okay, Chu means ball, Hao means behind. So nasa stomach 1 and outer canthus siya, divided in half at orbit 1/4 the distance from lateral to medial side of the orbit. Where is Tongming?
Wala rin po.
0.5 tsun below gallbladder 1. What is Wulun in relation to disorders, TCM disorders of the eye?
Refers to the 5 basic element or phases: wood, earth, fire, metal, water.
Ito yung
when it
limang
comes to the eye.
in accordance with
Ano po
the
to?
5 Zhang and 5 elements. Okay.
Yes po.
What is
refers to the eye.
Akwo?
Wala po akong sagot, Dok.
8 directions around the eye. These are the young organs. State the circle name and organ associated with the iris.
Associated with the liver meridian and the wood element po, Dok.
Wind circle. Wind circle, wood, liver. State the circle name and organ associated with the canthus.
Ano ba yun? Ano po? Liver meridians po and wood
Yung
elements po.
canthus. Oh,
Inner outer
heart. Heart canthus, blood circle. State the circle name and the organ associated with the eyelids.
Spleen meridian and earth elements po.
So it's called the flesh circle.
Opo.
State the circle name and organ associated with the sclera.
Kidney meridian, water elements po, Dok.
Parang hindi. Lung.
Kiwi.
It's called the chi circle. Huh? Lung chi circle. State the circle name and organ associated with the pupil. Ito yung kidney. Water circle. Kaya kung maganda yung pupil mo, malaki yung pupil mo, malakas na yung sex appeal mo. So palakihin mo yung pupil mo.
Kidney.
True or false? Tuina for kids is more effective if the kid is younger.
True po.
Yes,
Can
very
be more
true. What are
effective
the
po
three
when they are
techniques
younger.
used for kids in Tuina?
Pressing, rubbing, kneading po, Doc.
Yes. Push,
Very good.
knead, and pinch. Tuy, push, through, knead, na, pinch. Oh.
Okay po.
Tulak, knead, kurot. What Tuina point can be used for kids with chest congestion, vomiting, and abdominal distension?
REN 12 po, REN 10, stomach 36, CV17, lang 1 po, Doc.
How many times? Ang 10, do tui or ru. So tui is need, push and need 50 times. So yan ang maganda sa mga bata. Number 74, where is three fences?
When she defensive, when she defensive chi po, Seng Chu upright chi, Ying chi nutritive chi po.
What's a radial aspect of the arm from LI5 to LI11? Do tui, so that means push 200 times. Okay?
Oh my God.
And finally, where is the Sky River?
Iba po yung lumabas sa akin, Doc, eh. Hindi ko
Okay,
po alam
it's
kung
the middle line between three fences and 6 do tui from wrist to elbow 100 times. Nakakapagod pala to. Maraming salamat, Sir June. Congratulations. Let's continue with Ma'am Joy. Good evening, Ma'am Joy. Can you finish this up?
Good evening, Doc. Nag-message
Okay.
ako sa inyo, Doc.
Ha?
Nag-message ako sa inyo.
Ay, nag-message ka pala. Diyos ko.
Wala
Okay,
po akong
message
answers because I forgot the Monday yung
It's okay.
so I wasn't
let's
able to
go.
finish.
No problem. So you did not reach up to
Sorry po.
76. Okay, you start answering the questions for the last week, week 10. Start answering tonight para hindi mo na makalimutan.
Yes, Doc. Oo nga
Let's
po, buti
call-
Doc, maaga yung sinend.
Okay. Okay, let's call on Ma'am Lynn. Good evening po.
Ay, Doc, good evening po. Medyo na-stress ako, Doc, nabasa yung aming room. Biglang bumuhos ang ulan.
Buti pa kayo dyan, umuulan dito sa amin, hindi. Okay.
Ang lakas po.
Malakas pong ulan ngayon, Doc.
Biglang lakas ang ulan, hindi ko naisara yung window kanina.
Ay, dahil sa pakikinig mo na assessment. Okay. Do you have an answer here for kids with diarrhea?
For kids with diarrhea. Wala akong sagot.
Okay, sagutin nyo na lang to TUI 500 times on Pi Earth, TUI LI 100 times, Rob the Dantian 5 minutes, Row Naval 2 minutes. Okay, fever due to exterior condition. Paano yung Tuina? Tuina the Sky River 300 times, Tui 6 Fu 300 times, Tui the G 500 times. Where is Himing extra point?
Himing is posterior to the mastoid bone at the junction of the neck and the occiput.
Okay, it's located soon posterior to SJ17. What are the two differentials for myopia? Okay, let me explain first yung myopia. Tingnan niyo po, pag normal yung vision natin, the focus will be on the retina. Pero pag myopia, dahil nag-enlarge yung eyeball, so obviously, yung focus sa retina will be in front of the retina. Kaya, you need lenses to bring it closer. Okay? So, sa Chinese, what are the two differentials?
Liver and kidney deficiency and heart and spleen deficiency.
Okay. Liver, kidney deficiency, middle jaw deficiency. What points do you 7-star needle for myopia?
LI4, GB20, GB37.
GB20, stomach 2, bladder 4.
Okay.
What are the four differentials for cataracts?
The differentials for cataracts. Liver and kidney deficiency, liver heat harassing the upper body, skin deficiency, skin deficiency with damp heat.
Okay. Liver kidney deficiency, spleen deficiency, liver heat, lung dryness, or lung heat. What condition for cataracts would have dry or red eyes, blurred vision, dry and thin tongue, chronic lung conditions? So dito pa lang may lung condition, alam na natin. Answer is
Yung last kanina binanggit
yung
nyo,
lung
Doc.
dryness. What
Lung
condition
dryness.
for cataracts with a blurred vision, headache, excessive eye discharge, bitter taste in the mouth?
Liver heat, Doc.
Liver heat or liver fire. What organs are mainly involved in cataracts? So ito yung dapat inaayos natin para hindi tayo magka-cataract. What are the answers?
Liver, kidney, and the spleen.
And the lungs.
And the lungs.
Diba? May lung dryness eh. Liver, lung, kidney, spleen. So dagdagan natin ng lung. What point can you 7-star needle for the treatment of cataracts?
Wala akong na-answer po dito.
Gallbladder 20. And yung isang
20.
source ko sinabi, heart 7, which I find a little bit. Anyway, what point can be needled for liver and kidney deficiency that is distal and especially good for eye conditions in seniors, known as the sheik? It's a sheik left.
Yeah, SI6, Doc. The
Wow, ang
nourishing
galing
the aged
naman.
point.
SI6.
Natako natin to, Doc, sa, sa webinars. Na-remember ko to.
Of course, master mo to. What is needle eye?
Sty or lid abscess.
Sty or hordeolum, no? What are the differentials of sty? There are 3.
Exogenous wind heat invasion, stagnant spleen and stomach, and heart fire.
Very good. If a person has a sty, tapos may fever, chills, headache, cough, sore throat, what is the differential diagnosis? Anong klaseng sty to? Sty due. Very good. External invasion. What points would you bloodlet for sty?
Yung ano po, extra point, the ear apex.
Heart 9, bladder 2, do 23. What is primary optic atrophy? Okay, as you can see, we have the optic disc there. Ang optic disc, dito yung kung saan pumapasok yung optic nerve. Can you imagine it? Tapos, ay, palabas pala, sorry. So, what is primary? Okay.
Primary optic atrophy is due to disease that affects the reticular nerve. Is without any optic
Can you compare the borders? Nakikita nyo ba yung drawing, no, ng optic disc sa normal optic nerve saka sa optic atrophy? So medyo sharp ang borders sa optic disc, no? So optic atrophy, this is a condition in which yung optic nerve natin nag-uumpisa na mag-deteriorate, no? Nasaan ba yung optic nerve? Nasa likod po yan ng mata natin that will connect the eye to the brain so that you can see. Okay? So, ibig sabihin mabubulag yung pasyente nito. So, kung ayaw nating mabulag, dapat marunong tayo paano i-prevent. So, what is secondary optic atrophy?
Secondary optic atrophy follows long-standing swelling of the optic nerve.
Okay. This time, yes. Secondary, ibig sabihin it's due to something else. The optic disc becomes dirty white with irregular margins covered by glial tissue. What is the main cause for optic atrophy in TCM?
Kidney and liver deficiency.
Yeah, or qi and blood deficiency. Yes. Yin or blood, no? Yan. What are the differentials for optic atrophy?
Liver and kidney deficiency, qi and blood deficiency, liver qi stagnation.
Very good, LQS. Di ba paulit-ulit lang sila? What are the main points you would needle for optic atrophy? Main points.
Bladder 1, GB20, GB37, extra point,
Chu.
Ho.
Yeah, Chu Ho. H-O-U. Okay. Then stomach 1. For liver chi stagnation causing optic atrophy, what is the point that can be used and is an empirical point for eye disorders due to excess?
GB37, sagot ko, Doc. Hindi ako sure.
LI14.
Kylie, wag ka may...
Liver
No,
point siya, Doc.
large intestine
large
14.
intestine 14.
Connected yan. What is wind blowing squint? What is the medical term for this?
Strabismus.
Strabismus. Very good. Paralysis of the adductor muscle. So the muscle that brings the eyeball in is what type of strabismus?
External strabismus.
External
or ectopia.
strabismus. Paralysis of the inferior muscles is called?
Hypertropia.
Okay, kung nakikita nyo tumaas yung isa. Okay, tingnan nyo mga mata nyo, baka meron ng problema yung mga mas. Okay, true or false? Children outgrow their strabismus.
False.
False. What kind of strabismus is characterized by gradual onset? At nandiyan pa rin yung mga symptoms sa dizziness, tinnitus, deep weak pulse, mental sluggishness.
Kidney and liver deficiency.
Very good. Sa katandaan. What kind of strabismus is sudden due to high fever, headache?
Wind invasion po, Doc.
Wind invasion. Describe paralytic strabismus. Ano pong pattern?
There's muscular paralysis around the eye.
This is kidney essence deficiency.
Hindi ko na
So, merong dizziness, nausea, vomit. Of course, magdidizzy ka talaga. Tingnan mo yung mga mata, oh.
Tapon yata yung tubig. Huwag ka maingay.
Diplopia. Doble yung paningin niya. Describe conjugate strabismus.
There's muscular imbalance around the eye. Sometimes the cause is unknown. May happen with other conditions such as Down syndrome or cerebral palsy.
Difference in visual acuity between the eyes. Ganito kasi pag mataas yung grado ng isa, tapos yung isang okay naman, ang tendency, nire-reject ng... nire-reject mo yung pangit yung pagtingin, so nag-aano na siya, naghihiwalay. No, pero pag tinakpan mo yung better eye, babalik siya. Kasi pag pinilit mo, masyadong mataas yung grado, dodoble yung paningin niya, sasakit yung ulo niya. Kaya ang treatment dito, kung marunong yung kung saan
eye patch,
yes, eye patch. But don't do it too long. Usually in the evenings lang while watching TV, gano'n. Kasi hindi po pwedeng biglaan. Hindi like the whole day or... Okay, what points would you use to treat internal strabismus, the abductor? Ay, andyan na yun.
Taiyang, gallbladder 1, Shihu, Sancho 23, Longming.
Okay. And lastly, what would you electrode strabismus?
Taiyang po.
LI4.
The same side.
Yeah, Taiyang, LI4, GB20 on the same side. Okay? LI4, GB20. Thank you very much. Congratulations, everyone. You only have like 1 week to go. And congratulations. Any questions? Okay, sagutin niyo na po yung ano, kasi ang bilis ng araw ngayon kung tumakbo, sagutin niyo na yung for next week. And that will be our finale. Sir Junat,
Monday
perfect. Monday ulit. Alam niyo bakit? Kasi we have a lecture on a Wednesday sa PAAY. I hope you will all attend. It's research ni Dr. Philip Tangatwe. So we have to be around. It
June
will
13 po, Doc.
be 3 Wednesdays starting on June 12, 12, 19, and 26, 6
Oh,
p.m. Okay?
ang tagal niyo po pala nandito nun, Doc.
I'm sorry?
You're gonna be in Manila?
Yata, okay. Okay.
Kasi kayo
Ano?
nandito kayo 24, 25 ba yun, Doc? Yung face-to-face natin.
Yeah, 25,
25,
25, 26.
25, 26.
I hope you will all come because ibibigay na natin lahat ng ano, and I will share with you our technique, which I found to be very effective, and we hope we can establish a brand, a trademark. We need to educate our patients. Of course, meron tayong mga notes. I hope to be able to finish the notes before we see each other para may idea na kayo, no? So it's basically different from the kind of lectures that we did. So it's really the technique that I use with my own patients, no? So magkita-kita po tayo sa Tuesday and Wednesday, 25, 26. And at PAI, I was asked to give a training or a face-to-face on tongue and pulse. But we will also... pero kasama na din yan sa ano. You don't need to attend the Thursday because your coverage is bigger. Yun, puro tongue lang and pulse, one day lang yon. Okay, so ganun na lang po. And you will like it. I'm sorry?
May PITAC orientation po, Doc, sa 13? PITAC
Yeah,
orientation
si
daw
ano
po
yan
sa
eh.
13?
Oo, can you go? That was the second batch already.
Nag-register po kami, Doc.
Ha?
Naka-register na po kami, Doc.
Okay, very good.
Opo.
Ba't hindi ko ano yan? Ano ba?
Ano yan?
Wait. Send ko. Kung kaya pa.
Pwede naman mag-attend na lang sila para ano. Libre lang yun, di ba?
Opo, libre po.
Libre daw
Taka,
po.
libre po, Doc, pagkain.
Tapos share nyo na rin yung mga natutunan nyo kasi doon na natin i-base yung number of patients nyo kasi all you will be doing right after next week will be preparing for your patients, and we hope that saka mapipilitan talaga kayo mag-aral because we'll be giving you the 6 exams for the 6 modules. So they will be based.
Doc.
Oo. All you have to do is
Kailan na po yung exam, Doc? May schedule na, Doc?
bibigay ko na ito kasi si Albert hindi masyadong. Sige, tapusin muna natin to. Anyway, it will come siguro. Okay. I'm planning to give it on the ano kasi dapat 724. Oo. Yung mga nakakuha na ng 1, hindi na kailangan, no? So yung mga
Pero pwede mag-read.
oo. Yung nakapasa na. Actually, it's going to be very easy. Kumuha ka na ba na, Sir June? Pumasa ka na, di ba?
Opo, 10, Doc.
Actually, gagawin natin mas madali yung ano, para mas marami.
Pero pwede umulit, Doc.
Doc, yung 1 po.
Umulit
Opo,
din.
kasama po namin si Ma'am Ami, si Sir Michael, si
Okay.
Elaine.
So, sabihin nyo na po, if-finalize namin yung date, we'll probably do it while I'm there. It's, kung nag-aaral talaga kayo, kasi ano lang yun module 1 so masyadong madali. Okay, so maraming salamat po. And then, kailangan na natin i-master yung pattern weaving, pattern differentiation, and that can only be possible if you know assessment. Okay? And from time to time, I will probably be going back to do the western part para mas maano na yung ano nyo. Pero dapat master natin yung TCM, no? So that when the time comes for us to really meet our counterparts, o diba? So they might want us to teach them, no? So yon. Hindi po talaga maraming marunong mag-tongue and mag-pulse. It requires a lot of practice, a lot of cunning, a lot of technique. Ganito lang yun eh, no? Kung i-feel mo yung pulses niya, basta it's very basic. Ang importante, because of the ear, you have to already immediately see a change in the pulse, no? Pinalitan ko pala, ma'am, ma'am, oo. I already included the back shoe then sa kasi parang doon. So sige po, maraming salamat. Thank you so much everyone, and next Monday po ulit, ha? Hindi po Tuesday. Thank you po.
Yes, Doc.
Everyone.
Thank you, Doc.
Ma'am Joy, you
Thank you.
Good night
the
po.
questions. Bye-bye po.
Good night po, Doc. God bless
Thank you po.
Makakaligo na ako, Doc.
Sige po.